How to create an OnlyFans account. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up your account on OnlyFans. Let's get started. First, open up any browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in OnlyFans and click enter. Scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. This is the official website of OnlyFans. Now to sign up to your account, click on this home button. You will be loaded to this login page. If you have already made an account and want to log in to it, simply type in your credentials on this field and tap on login. And if you have forgotten your password, click on forgot password and reset it. Now to sign up your account, click on sign up for OnlyFans. Here type in your name. Now on the second field, type in your email address. Now type in your password that you want to set on your account. After that, you will be logged in to your account. So this is how you can sign up your account on OnlyFans. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.